Connecticut Veterinary Medical Diagnostic Lab, and we are located at the University of Connecticut on the Stores campus. We are actually unique in that we are a service institution within a university. So we're a service laboratory. We serve the entire state of Connecticut. We have many affiliations, including...
Where are you located? In stores?
In stores, yes.
And what do you service? Is safeguarding animals and public health?
And yes, we are technically a veterinary diagnostic lab, but we do have affiliations with Department of Public Health, Department of Agriculture. We have federal affiliations. We work with the CDC. We work with USDA.
How is the tick situation in Connecticut?
Tick situation, we offer tick testing for people. If you find a tick on yourself or your pet or your child, you can send it in to us and we can identify that.
Do we have a problem in the state with ticks?
Oh, absolutely.
What about rabies?
Rabies, yes, we do rabies testing. We work with the Department of Public Health here in the state, and we do all of the non-human exposure tests for them. So anything that, say your dog tangles with a raccoon or a skunk, and your dog kills it, and you're concerned that maybe your dog was exposed, animal control would come out, and they would bring that animal to us, and we would test it for rabies. I have some pictures here of what positive. So if the animal was positive for rabies, we would test their brain, and we would make impressions of the brain and do a fluorescent test.
Right.
And so you can see the fluorescing rabies virus in the brain on this positive
And it's
animal.
green.
It's green fluorescing, and if it was negative, it would just look like that, no green fluorescing.
These pictures look like the moon far away.
Isn't it amazing? It's amazing, yes. It looks like a galaxy. It's beautiful.
Right.
It's actually beautiful to look at, but it's a terrible disease.
It's a terrible disease.
Rabies is
not something you want to get.
the most deadly virus in the world.
Rabies is?
Rabies is the most deadly virus in the world, but we do have a vaccine for it, which is highly effective. We have pre- and post-exposure
A
treatment.
one-time vaccine?
It is not, and I do have, if you would like, you should take one of these. It's the frequently asked questions about rabies. It's very informative. It dispels all of the myths that people have told you. It is not 13 shots in your stomach. It is if you're exposed to an animal that is believed to have rabies or has been shown to have rabies, it's 5 shots. And what's interesting about this is the deer tick here. This is a deer tick. This is the tick that carries.
It causes Lyme disease.
It can carry and transmit a multitude of diseases, but Lyme is the most prevalent. In Connecticut, approximately 30% of all deer ticks are carrying the bacteria that causes Lyme disease.
Wow.
Yeah, and this, you see this little tiny one? You see that very, very tiny one right there? There's that super tiny one.
Yeah.
That is the nymph stage of the deer tick. It's the stage right before it molts into an adult. These two here, these 3 actually are adults, and that one is the nymph. All of them can carry and transmit the disease, but you can see this one is the one that looks like the period at the end of the sentence, they say. That's the one you most need to be concerned about because it looks like a freckle. If you get that on you, you may not see it.
And how do you feel when you get an instant cold? You start getting cold sweats?
Typically,